In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate items in Monday.com, an essential skill for keeping your project management workspace organized and efficient. If you've ever dealt with multiple duplicate entries cluttering your boards, you know how confusing and time-consuming it can be to manage them. Let's simplify that process today by walking through a straightforward method to clean up and streamline your Monday.com boards. First, you'll need to head over to Monday.com, which is accessible through your favorite web browser. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button at the top right corner and click on it to proceed. This will take you to the Login page where you'll need to select the Google option to log in, assuming you have your account linked with Google. Choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com credentials. This ensures a quick and secure login process, getting you straight to where you need to be. After logging in, navigate to your specific board where you suspect there might be duplicate items. Once on the board, take a look at the top right corner where you'll find a button represented by 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers several options for managing your board, and the next step involves selecting More Actions from this list. Once you've clicked on More Actions, a new set of options will appear. Here, you're looking for the Manage Duplicates feature. Clicking this will open a tool specifically designed to help you find and handle duplicate entries efficiently, a crucial feature to keep your data clean and manageable. Now that the Manage Duplicates tool is open, you need to choose which column you want to perform your search on. This could be any column where you think duplicates might occur, such as the name or ID column. Identifying the right column is key to ensuring that you're effectively finding all potential duplicates. With the column selected, go ahead and click on Search. The system will then begin scanning your chosen column, identifying all items that are suspected duplicates. Once the search results are displayed, review the entries carefully. Select the entry or entries that you wish to merge. Keep in mind, you want to retain the most complete and accurate version of each entry. Finally, click on the Merge Items button. This action will combine the selected entries into a single comprehensive entry, thereby eliminating clutter and ensuring your data remains accurate and easily accessible. By following these steps, you can successfully merge duplicate items in Monday.com, enhancing both the organization and efficiency of your workspace. This simple yet powerful feature is essential for maintaining a clean and streamlined project management environment. Thank you for joining me today as we explored this useful technique in Monday.com.